Would you cut your way out of the inside of your tent running barefoot into a blizzard in Siberia? Because in 1959, 9 hikers did exactly that. And these were experienced people. They knew what they were doing. And they knew that whatever was coming to their tent, freezing to death, was the better option. To this day, over 60 years later, no one can explain what actually happened to these hikers. Their bodies were found with crushed bones, missing eyes, and radioactive clothing. And to this day, over 60 years later, nobody really knows what happened to the Dyatlov Pass group. Check out the full episode, complete with the story and the theories, on the Paranormal Directive 13 podcast today.